Welcome back to the Chairman television station, the senior brother of all the television when they inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And this is the ogbonge politics discussion show as it is hot. Ezuku Chook the Anunku be there inside studio with our ogbonge guest, Bola Oba, and we discuss the sack of Suleiman Abba when be Inspector General of Police. Yesterday, gist come out say Solomon Arase na go replace him as the acting Inspector General of Police. People look the matter and say, why he go sack him? Say, he be like, say, because of, say, the election no go in favor and some other kind of things, that make them sack him. Other people come talk, say, the president get the right to sack him. Our ogbonge guests, they make some important points as they concern the matter, and we go continue our discussion as it is hot.
And so, no, because why would they on break? I be ask one question, but I go once after I go still want to ask them. I want to talk. Okay, the sacking of the IG right now, the former IG. She, you notice say they come late based on say the office of Mr. President we dey in power now go still it goes end very soon. She think say he never did say it day too late for him to sack right now.
let me put it the way you want it. Because I know say you get agenda. All this one way they do like say you want buy guguru. When I know say na the gold way they inside the cupboard you want take make a cuckoo give am to you. Share the sacking. It get element of vendetta. What do you people they call vendetta?
Vendetta na say you do me, I do you.
Pay back.
Pay back.
If you want say the sacking get element of vendetta, yes, he get, but you don't sack him. Sack him. Number one. Number two be this. Make we not take joke, spoil important point. You don't sack the person who ordinarily still get 4 years. In service. You know, if you don't sack now, the guy still get 4 years before he reach 35 years in service, wait for their mandatory retirement. But the person where input, now only like 30-something days remain for the guy to reach the mandatory
service,
service tenure with that 35 years. So in a way, na good, na favor him do
a blessing in disguise.
In a way, so General Muhammadu Buhari go get his own tabula rasa, clean slate
to start
afresh with his own appointee and take it on from there. So na vendetta guilty as charged.
Make I one question come. You get the people that they call the Ekiti Democratic Coalition. Their convener come out yesterday, come hail the sack. Say the sack makes sense. Because of, say, based on their own, you get the thing when they notice about the behavior of the Inspector General of Police. Say the behavior of the Inspector General of Police for especially Ekiti State matter. Say the thing, he don't reach me, they don't sack her since.
What do you say be the behavior?
He been talk, say, him and the commissioner, the State Commissioner of Police, say somehow, that they follow backyard with the APC lawmakers and some other powers that be to use frustrate the governor. And I can push the governor to the wall. When we say the governor can come out, when they call on the ordinary Ekiti man, say make them come out, come defend them before these people come put Sansan inside in Gari.
If you want to localize the issue to Ekiti, you would do a lot of injustice to the thing will happen. Let me be very honest with you, my brother. From the gate man at any government institution to the highest government employee, since General Buhari don't become president-elect, even some of us, where they look before, say opposition member, we don't get some privileges for some areas. You don't know, say, as I dey rich, there is the TV station where I never go speak. You get some government TV station, federal government TV station before where they know they call person like me. Because they know say the way we go cut them. If they know they say now they get some programs where we got you understand what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So and everybody now they try to balance because in this is not transition. But you know what? the case of Ekiti dey peculiar. Madness they unfold there.
Who be the mad person for this?
I say madness they unfold there.
So all of them, all of them, they.
I said incident, no be people, okay. No be Ekiti people.
No, I just want to ask.
Ekiti people. No, Ekiti people na book people. Yeah. But when a person read too much book,
it dey affect. It dey touch.
It dey touch. And when you know say touch, it dey spark. Now, before, make you remember, say before, na police Fayose dey use to intimidate.
A typical example.
We go call am intimidation.
No, not intimidation because a typical example now. Wetin happen between the lawmakers? Where 9 lawmakers of the
they form quorum now.
Quorum waiting impeach under the security watch of how many police officers?
They want to discharge their functions.
We know what happened.
They want to discharge their functions. They don't want to make them. They don't want to make them. They wanted to give them security.
Chukudi, we
don't understand. They are lawmakers.
They are lawmakers. Where is it done? Where is it done?
To give security to people who form quorum.
Which can quorum? 9 people come they impeach anything. Why they don't allow other lawmakers to come
mathematically it's possible.
In the
7 against 9.
No, mathematically it's possible.
7 against 9.
No, mathematically it's possible.
That will be hard maths.
No, if we further maths.
You get no simple algebra.
You get the way we fit cut out.
So 7 go take over the role of
the decision of the entire house.
Ogun State under my big brother Agbenga Daniel. 9 take over 18.
No, somehow.
There are lots of places. It happened for Anambra.
No, mathematically. You understand? We don't go into all those
mathematically.
Yeah, because with using the 4-figure table.
Shukudio.
We fit cut out.
Shukudio. I dey always tell you, man, Fagbo.
No, be like
Shukudio, man, Mugo.
No.
Which guy mathematically?
No, for that mass. I dey look am from. No.
It go better for you, Shukudi.
See, I know.
Shukudi.
No.
Shukudi.
Sir.
No say for that mass. People wait there at home.
Ask how that is for that mass.
They go throw you juju.
No, sir.
You are a historian student.
No.
You be political student.
Tell you.
You know journey history.
Let your people call you. Make them help you for the mass.
No, what they talk be say, now we get, look, we look at now, 26 lawmakers. You understand? Some know where they stand. At least 3 of those 19 no gree talk where they stand. Maybe because the eye service.
So good, even commode those 3 for 19.
He's still rich.
16. 7 plus 7.
No,
7 plus 14.
No.
It's as simple as that.
If we add those 3 to the 7, that's 10. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Mathematically, the quorum.
No. Any angle like where you bring them from. Any angle like where you bring them from. You no go hold for that at all.
You know, say you dey pass social the bus stop where. All those things where they for here, where enter your this.
No.
They quadrangle.
No.
Shukudi.
No, mathematics. Calculation.
Quorum.
For everywhere where parliamentary democracy or presidential democracy dey for the world, the parliament they always observe the maxim say majority will have their way, minority will have their say. Ekiti spin am for head now say minority must have their way under the authorship of
no, but if you check am, this man is a man of the people. We see him when he win the election, when he come out, see the multitude when come out to come celebrate with him. Should 19 lawmakers hold the state to ransom?
What do you mean by holding a state to ransom? What do you mean by holding a state to ransom?
No,
in the decision making of the entire state. What do you mean by holding a state to ransom?
Brother, if you don't take sense, follow this issue with Shukudi, go confuse am for you.
He cannot be where they
make you not confuse people where they at home.
Now if they confuse people.
No. You know, Shukudi, the governor get a mandate.
Given to him by the people.
I'm coming, my brother.
And by God.
I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
The governor, he get his own mandate. All the elected members of the House of Assembly, then get their own mandate too.
But remember, say the speaker come Lagos. They congratulate am saying the governor in waiting. Make we check all these things now. Everything they inside newspaper. Read them now.
Provide your facts.
You don't go talk to me. You don't go talk to me.
Provide your facts.
I'm a man of the people. My hands are clean. Nigerians.
Shukudi, too much social media rumor mongering.
Thank you very much.
You don't think.
Thank you very much.
Now who could be talk say element of truth there in every rumor? You see him? You don't talk him. He's contradicting himself.
I never come and talk saying. I never come and talk saying na true. I say element of truth. This is what is being established. Element of truth is there inside and small. What are you saying?
How you want take justify makes 7 members of
Impeach the whole speaker.
a parliamentary chamber take over
The House.
control from 19.
Under the protection of security officers, where reach how many?
Okay, you know it.
Hold on, Joe.
You don't leave that bone.
caller.
You don't leave that bone.
That one and
Ali,
other.
Ali is calling us from Sokoto. Good morning, Ali. Ali, good morning.
You don't use talk pursue Ali now. We dey talk this matter general police. You carry am go Ekiti.
On this matter.
No, na him now.
On this matter.
Because mathematically.
Shukudi, on this matter.
No, mathematically.
On this matter.
Okay.
Ṣé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà?
No.
Shukudi, if I say Aranta.
Hold on. Me no vex. Johnson, abeg respond. Johnson from Aba, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Johnson.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Jose.
You don't hear the matter wey dey on ground. Abeg, chook mouth. May we hear you.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Oga Johnson, we dey hear you.
Okay. The thing be say, for the former IG, waiting the thing be say, the man get that job, he won't carry himself, show up, say, he won't show, say, he sabi the job well. And as in there now, as in don't sack him now, his head don't cool down. Because the man is in there, if you won't show up, saying sabi well. Like really, because some people maybe people know them putting unit. Now, Buhari don't enter now, he don't go to show, but I like I said, they sack him. Let him go home, go free the pens. I think I want talk.
Thank you very much, Oga Johnson. You don't say I 1-0. I'm leading you.
No,
I'm leading him.
Who say me today?
No, me, you, and Johnson at the same time. They talk 3-0. We are leading him.
But
hold on.
Now the Ekiti parliamentary methodology.
Exactly. But
I don't go be your fire shade. I don't go encourage you to take over this.
No, but
These people where they call us, we no go count their vote, reach your vote. We no go. They are independent minded.
Thank you very
How
much.
you want line up if you land there for your back?
no, but
We need to the answer.
Okay, we'll go take another call now. We'll go Calabar from Aba to Calabar. Maybe we take Oga, okay? Oga, okay, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, I'll go, okay?
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
I beg greet our ogbonge visitor.
Ogbonga visitor, big masquerade, you are welcome, Mr. Oba.
Big masquerade. Hey.
I just watched you finish for Cool F1.
Cool TV.
You're welcome, yeah. Okay, make a shook mouth for... Hello.
Yeah, they hear you, right on.
Make a shook mouth more. One thing where Inspector fail to understand be say, no matter how crop top pass, you know the top pass person where plant am.
Thank you very much.
That one is number one. So my chief don't talk and finish. Say na eye service. That one number one. Then secondly, na poverty. Now be the whole thing. He should have allowed good luck to die finish before he bury him. I don't know where they understand that proverb. He's supposed to finish his own service before he go to lobby for another one. But this one no show and respect. So I think make him back home. That's the only thing.
Thank you very
Thank
much. You can hear what the people are saying.
Yeah.
The people are on my side. I'm a man of the people. I'm speaking for the people. My hands are always clean.
Shukudi. You know, say when person they too competitive for life, na mental health issue. I don't want make I lose you, Shukudi. You be good man. Stay. Not be everything be fight.
No, as an advocate of the masses.
Oh yes.
Yes, I'm a vanguard for the ordinary man.
Yes.
You be advocate of the
Vanguard of the ordinary man. You dey like this.
Waiting there.
You dey like this now.
Like how?
Because you know the agree talk through. You dey like this.
You know the great talk.
You know the agree talk through now.
The one way talk.
Nobody say Nkubi when come this show.
More shift the
Another
matter.
caller,
Okay,
another
more quickly look from this angle because from the speculation was all we also hear. We hear say now one strong woman from River State and 9 days behind this nine push pressure Mr. President make sure say this man
If you dey talk strong woman, make they mention name, oh they know. This all they talk.
That's all
They don't talk say behind every great man there is a strong woman. Okay, why you gonna talk say strong?
Now, the way I take say now they take relay am to you.
Talk
Take 10 and
make we know who they talk about.
Where we say from River State, they say we connect with Ogajona. Now he do it. Now he make pressure Ogajona make he sack am.
You know here wetin our ogbonge visitor talk. Say in the hobnob. He leave the work when they give am make they do. He begin the hobnob. Is it not evident? Is it not clear? Why they bring woman enter inside this matter?
The reason why they bring woman.
You see rumor. you dey invite, you dey welcome person, you go the place, the day when they give am a certificate of return, you go there. Na the work when they appoint you make you do be that. People dey come up for their office, they go visit, they go Kaduna, they go Katsina, go visit. It's all, you talk am now, you don't talk am finish, hand over notes, prepare am so that the next person when they enter, e go dey easy for the person to take over. Why this culture for this our country say if you begin dey do eye service?
Normally, from the church mind of Oga Jonah, she no fit say, na assumption o, because everything.
You know good though.
She no fit say Oga Jonah, we don't allow this man finish his tenure.
You know say election don't pass. Election don't pass. The man do the thing wey we know they see usually for Africa.
For Nigeria, most especially.
I say Africa bigger pass Nigeria. He don't call the winner. He don't, and he's saying ready for a smooth transition. Make we no over-humiliate this man now.
Okay, I bet we quickly collect this other call from Tony. Tony, they call us from Oshun. Good morning, Tony. Tony, good morning.
Good morning, Oga.
Yes, we hear you. Right on.
Good morning, Chook.
Good morning, sir.
And then good morning, our speaker.
Good morning.
Good
I don't see the reason why we deflect months on this matter. The political appointee like this, he can't be sought by the person where they hire him. I see no reason why we deflect months on that matter. It's like at the beginning of the new era in Nigeria.
We dey hear. Right on, they hear you.
Yes. And then we also advise Mr. President, in the any one person go start before he go come out from that office. Now, 4% of the SSS, he can't become another political appointee. In the field for the PDP too much. It's like to make this study happen in this nation, we need people with a high integrity to be on top waiting the security agencies in Nigeria. Not people like a political appointee. Of that people when I take with you.
Thank you very much, Oga Tony. Oga Tony, thank you very much.
But we don't talk here.
You know the thing where Tony talk where sweet me. Some people they no be political appointee. Then give them professional jobs to do, and most of them they rose from the ranks to where they. But when they can't get to the political level of that office, or when they sit for one office where they interface with the public on behalf of that agency, they can't give bad names to their agencies because they do political eye service. All those ones are not going to regret if they send them home.
Yes, on the ground of political eye service, we'll quickly do it. We'll collect this call from Samuel. Samuel, they call us from ABJ. Good morning, Samuel. Samuel, good morning. Hello, Samuel, you there? You better say we don't lose that one. Right about now, we'll go do it. We'll go drink water because I know our guests, ogbonge guests, need to do it. He need to cool off so that he go enter for the under phase of the program. We'll quickly go for this break when they come.
Welcome back to Ask City Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. We will take your calls and they continue the discussion as it concern the sack of Suleiman Abba as Inspector General of Police. Our ogbonge visitor there inside studio and in the Chook mouth for all the matter as it concern the discussion. Mr. Gbola Oba, no make I know as Oba dey the back. Make I no put Mr. for the front.
Gbola Oba now.
Yes, make we can look this matter from this angle now. Now we know say like if we get strong system when we say that they go through process before the person become sit down for that office. But the question, make we take this call from Benin. You know, say as be saying Benin, they come from the team. They allow my question straight. Oga Andrew, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Andrew.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and
right
clear.
on.
Yeah. Good morning, Oga Andrew. And Okubi, good morning. Chukudi.
Good morning, sir. I better reduce the volume of your TV. More if hear you well.
Okay. Chukudi and Okubi, I greet you now.
We greet you too.
And that's visitor one day, I greet you now.
Yes.
I beg, make I talk one important thing for this country. I want to mark for this matter. You know, I think key Jonathan for this in government. He want favor people. Oh, as that man talk, eye service come, okay, put them. Eye service come, he put them. Now, it's not a bad thing for a sitting president. That's the IG who is the IG right now in position to be guarding the sitting president, and at the same time send his boys to go and be at the side of a president-elect. Are you getting me? An example is in University of Benin. When the VC went day before, day position, he never come out. When he never come out, as they announced the 111 be the next VC of the school, they send some SSS where go see the guard that one small. Not be the commissioner of police by himself because they guard the elect. Are you getting me? Because definitely because they need to protect the safety of that new person. Are you getting me? They need to protect that new person. Now, him by himself, go to do the eye service for the airport. It's annoying and it's a slap on anybody that has put you in position. I mean, let's respect ourselves. Come on. Now, you did the country. You want their position for life? Are you the only educated person in Nigeria? There are many people who should try their intellect and know how they can contribute into the affairs of this country. Now it's second. Even if now one day now the new person say enter, he go there after a name for life say it was IG one day. Are you getting me?
Yes, so Oga Andrew, you don't make your point. Very important point where you don't make. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Andrew.
Continue to watch As City Hot. Make I quickly ask my question before the next call come in. Now, we know say we get system, but they always they appoint. Now, most often than not, if they appoint you, you go want to do and based on the person we appoint you so that the thing goes with you.
Exactly.
Now, he make me say before, for this same program, before I come out here, Chukudi, my gboro dada. Now he make me tell you, say, we're supposed to review our... You see, I won't say this thing, and most of our people will just enter for APC platform, especially from the north, they no go like her. But I'm supposed to say, we must not throw away the baby and the bath water. The recommendations will come from that national conference must not be thrown away with Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
Just like that.
Because fantastic ideas come inside and suggestions come to this thing. We don't reach the level now for Nigeria where we say some strategic office holders of government, not be president supposed to appoint them. If the police institution is a very powerful institution, if there are distinctive process, they help me for.
So if some things don't day, say some things dey down, where they go follow.
No, say when I find they speak, somebody they always my man.
Exactly.
Where this thing, no go let our people understand.
They follow.
It's supposed to get system where we say we feel no way they reliable, way professionalism go take come. I would rather prefer that the mechanism where then they take, where person they take come as IGP. If they're more independent of the presidency, I don't mind whether it's the president they appoint chief of defense staff, chief of army staff, because he's the commander-in-chief.
Of the armed forces.
But the policing agency, now that they interact with the people every day, every hour, every minute. When that institution know they wait the people they stay passive. When that institution know they passive, say if they are political, if they make some people they vex themselves for Beleive, say even this police, we don't agree with them.
Exactly.
True.
So we must they look at the direction of reforms and constitutional review.
On that note, our ogbonge visitor don't make the most important point. Say, not be just by saying...
And the two of una agree. I must be... Una agree on one topic.
No. Not be... The reason...
God dey brilliant.
You
He shares little brilliance to make una agree.
Exactly. Our ogbonge visitor don't talk the talk finish. Say, eye service no dey pay for office. Because the office when you dey, now something where we say it go affect everybody. And if you do your work well, now everybody the thing will affect. We don't call for reform and review so that the system go better. Until we come back again tomorrow with another ogbonge topic, when we come out smoke. And we go thank our visitor for coming. Beleive, thank you very much for honoring our
I always
invitation.
very grateful.
Thank you, sir.
And together,
I'm passing the power.
yeah, we go tell our people say bye-bye.
Yes,
and we are against xenophobia.
We are against xenophobic attack. Either in South Africa, either in Lagos, either anywhere.
And